Today I'm going to show you how you can make payment by yourself on your school Kofa page. So we're going to use the Unibank Kofa page as an example. So you can see I'm at the home page. So first of all, you need to click on login. When we click on login, it's asking us for we ask you for your student ID and your password. So you can obtain this information from your documents that you use to register or from your aspirant page when you were admitted. So let's be brief. Just go straight, click on login. So when you click on the login, it will show something like this. This is notification for you, etc. Blah blah blah. For going straight to payments, don't need to waste much time. You just click here. Just look at this menu icon here. You just click on it, and the next thing, click on my data. This one bring a drop down. You're seeing application slip, base data, clearance data, personal. You just go straight to payments. Click on this payment, and you will see a lot of things, including your name will be here, and you'll see your ID and the status, etc. So what you're going to do, you're going to add a current payment session. So you just click on add current payment session, tap on it. Whatever you want to pay for, if it's the school fees, whatever, so click on school fees, and then you click create. So as you can see, I just created for acceptance fee and for this session. So it will show not paid yet. Now we need to get it paid. To get it paid, just click on this purple part, click it to show up, and all you have to do now is to pay one of the payment method here, or the one that is most recommended is the remitter payment. Remitter is trusted by the federal government, so you feel free to use it. There is no hack there. Pay via remitter. So it will show you some details like this. All you need to do is scroll to the bottom and click on pay now. It will take you to your remitter gateway. Don't be scared. When you're on this part, please don't press back, don't close your browser, don't do anything. There's nothing to worry about. Just allow it to load. Even if there's delay, there's no need to refresh the page. No, that's bad. You just have to wait until it's loaded. Okay, you will see something like this. The detail, this is the amount I'm paying for the acceptance fee, for example, and this is the remitter reference. So when you get to this place, you just scroll to the bottom and you see submit. This number is the unique number you have to take note of. Let's say there was an error in your transfer and you have to contact the remitter team or whatsoever. Maybe you want to go and report that there was a mistake. You have to go with this very remitter RR. It stands for remitter retrievance. So click on this submit button. There are a couple options there. This submit button, tap on it. It will still load, but no need to refresh. There's no need to press back. You just wait. Okay, so what you are saying is pay now. You just enter your card number, expiry date, and this your CVV. You will enter all the information and you click this pay now. Please, when entering it, make sure you keep it secret so that somebody else won't take note, so that they will not use it against you. But at least it may be impossible for them to use it at some point, because they will need to send a code to your mobile number which they may not have. So let's assume you don't want to pay with the card. You don't have a MasterCard, or you don't have Visa, you don't have all those electronic card, or your card has not been activated. don't have to worry, you can still pay. There are a couple options you can select from. You just need to click on this very particular place, click on it. You see a lot of options. So the card is the first one, and some card the fastest. So let's say we don't want to use card, we want to use the bank account. So let me explain what this bank account is. The bank account actually work for only selected banks. Not all banks can do the bank account. It's just like if I click on it, it will ask me for my account number. You see, I'll select the bank, just UBA bank. Not everybody have UBA. This is not safe for everybody. So if you select your bank, you just have to enter your account number and they will debit you just like that. They will also send you they'll send a message to your mobile number. So since the bank account works only for UBA, we may not need that one. Let's say bank branch is the one they will give you. You take an arrow to a bank, you give it to them. This one is actually one of the cheapest, because if you are paying with ATM, they might charge you like maybe extra. But when you take the this arrow they printed out for you now, you just have to take it to the bank and they will process it for you. You will click on print invoice. It will generate a PDF concerning this arrow. When you take it to the bank, they will just process it. You pay them the money that you're paying them that money for the acceptance fee. You're not paying online again. So if you feel that online transaction is not safe, you can use this one. Then we have another option, USSD. This one is, to me, most times I like to use the USSD. It's very, very fast. All you have to do is select your bank. Then they give you, let's say Zenith Bank, they give you a code. You just have to copy that code, dial it in the phone you registered your bank, the account phone number linked to your bank account, and send it, and your payment will be confirmed. They will ask you to dial your PIN to verify it. If you press continue now, you just do it. So the other one there is internet banking. This is the remitter wallet. If you have a remitter account wallet. So for me, I recommend, for those that are afraid of internet banking and stuff, you can go for the bank branch. For those who have MasterCard, you can go for the card. And the USSD, you can also use the USSD if you feel convenient with the mobile or internet banking. So after making your payment, you will be redirected automatically to where you came from.